Welcome back to the Genesis mission. As promised, today I'm here to present you with the 21st of 92 biotech stocks that are showing powerful signs of a potential breakout. But before we move forward, I also need to reiterate that this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal trade ideas, and I strongly encourage that you do your own research. With that said, here's today's pick. Prime Medicine, ticker symbol PRME. In simple terms, Prime Medicine is developing a next-generation gene editing technology that acts like a word processor for human DNA, precisely searching and replacing bad genetic code. They are aiming to fix a wide range of rare genetic diseases at their root cause without causing the DNA damage associated with older traditional therapies. A major near-term catalyst to watch is their upcoming earnings release expected around mid-May, which is guaranteed to bring significant volatility to the stock price. Additionally, any updates on their regulatory filings to advance their groundbreaking prime editing treatments into human clinical trials will act as a massive fundamental driver for the company. Moving on to Prime's chart. My research suggests that we are in the beginning stages of what could be a massive run over the next few months as the chart builds a base. As you can see, the multi-year downtrend line finally broke back in June 2025. Since that breakout, the stock has been consolidating steadily around $4 and building up the energy for what I believe will be the next leg higher. If you are buying it today under $4 a share and don't want to risk too much, then a daily close below $2 could be a place to exit until you build enough conviction in the stock to go back in again. That said, if this setup holds, my bull case is $10 a share within the next 12 months and $16 a share within the next 24 months. With that said, thank you for your time. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can be notified when I put out the video for the next biotech play. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next chart.